Walang premium, walang real riders, at puro mainline lang. Biruin mong 17 lang out of 77 ang meron tayo. Pero okay lang. Still presenting Hot Wheels Dodge Viper RT10. Produced since 1993. Designed by Michael Collins and Larry Wood. In any order na to. Ganito ko na siya nabili. Loose at hindi mint. Ang daming tama ng pintura. Color lime green. Release year 1999. Under Power Launcher series. With Hot Wheels logo on windshield. Pangalawa, na-feature ko na to sa unboxing. Metallic Gray under Sports Stars 5-pack. Year 2000. Loose ko na din nabili to from 5-pack. Tapos, kaso parang na colorblind yata ako. Nakabili pa ako ng isa. Loose din. Color gray with orange interior under HW Horsepower 5-pack. Year 2018. Another one from 5-pack, color pearl yellow under HW Flames 5-pack. Loose ko na din nabili to. Another yellow color from HW Roadster series, year 2023. Na-feature ko na din dati to from California Dreamin' 5-pack. Color metallic purple, year 1997. Ito yung pinakauna kong na-acquired sa lahat ng to. Pearl White under Dash for Cash series, year 1998. Pero hindi ko 1998 siya nabili. Mga year 2000 siguro. Neon yellow pala to. Akala ko yellow green. Release 2001 under mainline. Loose ko na din nabili to from 50th anniversary throwback 10 pack year 2018. Release year 2018 with Flames Deco. Another mainline series, release year 1999, silver color with Team Benjamin 27 tampos. White color with blue stripes, year 2017 under Then and Now series. Another white color with red stripes under 50th anniversary throwback year 2018. This one is Treasure Hunt, the regular one, under HW Race Team, year 2020, with Race Team blue color. The Race Team blue color under Then and Now year 2022. Another Then and Now series, year 2017, color yellow with black stripes on hood. Color violet lang. Metal Flake Purple pala. Year 2023 under HW Roadster Series with silver stripes. And lastly, the Zema Walmart exclusive under Then and Now year 2022. Ito yung latest na nabili ko.
Short info, the Dodge Viper RT10 is based on the production car of the same name, more specifically, the SRI version produced from 1992 to 1995. In 2016, the entire tooling of the car was updated, in a similar way as to how the tooling for the Ferrari F40 was updated. An updated casting of the Dodge Viper RT10 was created in 2023, both castings were sold together for a period of time.
Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at sana'y nagustuhan nyo kahit napakadami pang kulang. At sa mga bago pa sa channel ko, baka naman pwedeng pasubscribe at palike na din ang video na to. Thank you!